Alright, now easy with the water. I'm so close. Easy.
Welcome, y'all. Let's meet up with Louis and find some musicians for our party. Look out, Bayou, here he comes.
They got bigger signs. Alright, nice and easy now. Easy, 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 easy. Okay, I like the way they ease you in. Oh, here's a shortcut. Perfect.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and jam? Hello?
Yeah, very good.
I'm still not seeing any musicians.
No sweat, Louis. We're just getting started.
If you're looking for musicians, you don't have far to go.
Oh no! Please don't get me wet. Please, I beg you. Easy, 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 easy. Okay. Okay. Woo. How was it so bad?
Tiana, what give y'all? This band she found can play. Hallelujah!
They're the bees and leaves. I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight.
Oh my! This rah-rah band can jam!
Easy.
I hope they all come to the party to play. But let's explore a bit more.
Who's this?
Time to think big. Time to get tiny.
Where are they going?
Oh my God!
We have to find them.
Oh my God!
Let's get you big again. Cause the bigger you are, the bigger the sound.
Oh my God! easy, easy. All right, that drop was not nearly as bad as that other one. Oh my God, that second to last one soaked me. Oh my God. Oh my God. How you doing, mi amor? No. What's that? You hate me? I know. Look at me. I'm soaked to the core. Thanks for watching the Vacationers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.